Hello guys, I am Arvind, and in this lecture I am going to discuss loops in C programming, and it is part 1. So guys, let's get started with the introduction to loops. So the loops are used to execute the block of code multiple times according to the condition given in the loop. So it means it executes the same code several times, so it saves the code and also helps to access the elements of an array. So moving further guys, so our next topic is why do we need loops. So guys, let's consider a case where we want to print 5 hello world statement. So obviously we are going to use this kind of approach. So we will use 5 printf statement, and suppose guys, after some time you want to print 10 hello world, then obviously you will add 5 more printf statement to this program. And at some point of time, if you need 20 hello world statement, then it will be very difficult task for you, or we can say the boring task for you. So to solve this kind of problem, we are going to use loops in C programming. So moving further guys, so guys, in C programming, 3 types of loops are available: for, while and do while. So guys, now moving ahead and we'll discuss the types of loops. So guys, depending upon the conditional statement in a program, a loop is classified into 2 types. First one is entry control loop and second one is exit control loop. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss one by one. So in entry control loop, a condition is checked before executing the body of a loop, and the entry control loops are for and while loop, and it is also called as a pre-checking loop. So moving further guys, so in exit control loop, a condition is checked after executing the body of a loop, and the example of exit control loop is do while loop, and it is also called as a post checking loop. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.